Hello, beautiful people out there. Welcome to my channel, Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add overlay in your video or photo using CapCut. First of all, go to your CapCut app, select New Project, select a video or photo, then add it, and then go to this overlay option. Click on Add Overlay option and select any other video or photo and then add it. So this is how you have to add your overlays. As you can see, an overlay is added. You can place it wherever you want to or make any other edits. I'm placing it here. You can place it wherever you want to. You can make it bigger, make it smaller, and you can change its dimension and do whatever you want to, and then after editing you can export it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos like this in future. So keep an eye on our channel. Till then, bye bye.